성광, 살림의 꽃을 피우자.
Good morning to everyone. I'm Reverend Ernie C. Pablo. I'm the church planter and the pastor of Masinloc Christian Missionary Alliance Church. He recommended me to Reverend Daniel Cho, and praise God, he granted our request. Pastor Chu told us about Reverend Sang Yang and his congregation. Sang Yang Church will be our sponsor in the construction of our church building. The construction of the church building started March 2, and with the help of our God, the building was completed last April 27. We praise God for it. Finally, God has ended our mobile worship, and now we are settled in a permanent house of worship. Our vision for this church is that we envision a missionary-driven church congregation transforming communities here and beyond for the glory of God. Thank you, Reverend Cha and your congregation. Thank you, brothers and sisters. May our great Lord bless you so much and keep you through the years. Again, thank you so much, and the Lord will bless you.